Welcome to Vancouver Carpenter. So, are those dimplers that carpenters love to use any good? No, they're complete garbage, and I honestly wish people would stop using them. And if you have access to a proper drywall drill and you're not using one of these, I don't know what to say, but you know, face palm. Anyways, so as you can see, every one of these screws on this board looks just like this. And the problem with those dimplers is it scores the paper. So on a drywall drill, only the tip of the bit is spinning around and this part right here stays stationary. But on one of those dimplers, this part right here is spinning because it's just, you know, a regular screw bit that's going to spin around in the chuck of the drill. So as soon as you put it on here, it slices the paper in a circular pattern around the screw, which completely negates the holding power of the screw. So now all of these screws are guaranteed going to turn into screw pops down the road. So, you know, the good news is this is behind a tub and I'm going to put a lot of mud over it to feather that. However, I'm still not happy with these and I'm going to sink a new screw next to every one of them to make sure that, you know, at least there's something with some holding power next to these. Because yeah, they're not doing anything. This thing's set a little deep. Man, carpenters have had their hands on all this stuff. That's better. Still a little deep. Better. Better. Okay, so that's a lot better. Let's take a look at what a properly sunk screw should look like. And then that's pretty much the end of the video. Like, there's not much more to say. Just don't use those things because they suck. You're honestly better off using an impact driver without one of those and just slowing down and sinking them slower, because at least you're not scoring the paper on every single screw. So that's what they should look like instead of like that, you know, horrible blown out one. So that's all I have to say, you know, use the right tools for the job, or I don't know, find a better way to do it, but don't use those dimplers. Thanks for watching Vancouver Carpenter. That's it. Go hang your drywall. Till the next video.